Hi, I'm Vera and I'm the Academic Program Manager at XRPL Commons. We're excited to share with you our very first Education Week. The journey began with Playground number 1, where, in collaboration with Futureverse, we delivered a 2-day intensive training on Futureverse and the Root Network. The journey continued at Paris Université Cité, where we met with some of the most promising engineers of tomorrow throughout their career forum. Now, we're at the end of this week and we're kicking off one of the most exciting hackathons around blockchain technology and its social impact. The hackathon is organized in collaboration with la Chaire UNESCO ITEN and Kryptosphere. We were very excited to see that around 900 people subscribe for this exciting journey, and we will be able to merge both technical and non-technical profiles throughout these 3 days. Follow us on our socials and check our website for the next educational opportunities.